Yo! Happy Friday! How was your week? Well, first of all, I just want to say these students are amazing. They are rock stars. Every day they come to class, they're willing to work. They come to class, they have their work done, they're asking questions, and they're really doing a really good job of advocating for themselves, which is can be hard, especially when we're doing distance learning. So it's fantastic that they have been able to do that, and I appreciate all the hard work that they have put in. Okay, for the week, Ed Puzzles. Just remember, Ed Puzzles, that's where our content is happening, or the lessons are happening. The teaching is actually happening during that time. So when they watch those videos, um, they should be writing down notes. There's questions for them to answer on those videos. And then when you go there, if you look at like their due dates, you can see if they have any of those are missing. If there aren't any missing, it'll be totally blank and empty. So just make sure you're paying attention to that. We've done a little bit of work on Khan Academy this week. And then Thursday, they got their practice test. And we are going to be taking our first test on Monday. Okay, tests are worth 70% of their grade. So the what I told the students was the practice test is the most important homework assignment of the entire chapter because it's set up just like the test itself. I'm trying to set them up for success. So realistically, it'll be in the same format. Numbers will be different, but it'll pretty much be in an identical format to what their practice test was. So trying to set them up for success so that they start off the year on a really good note and doing well on their test. Okay, so if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Also, if your student is struggling, I have office hours as well that they can reach out to me during that time and come in and chat. So with that, you have a fantastic weekend. See ya, and we have a short week next week. Bye.